Hi everybody, if you live in the city of LA and are planning to build out an ADU in your backyard, I made sure that the city created a free and pre-approved standard plan so it can save you time as well as money. All you have to do is fill out this form right here and submit it. Now I'm going to have Leslie walk you through all the steps.
So we're going to start off with the easiest part first, which is the owner's info. This is where the property's owner's name and address will go, and then applicant info will be the name of the contractor. It is not mandatory to have a contractor, so if you do not have a contractor, then you would just fill out the property owner's information as well in the second box. Moving on to project data, in this area you will be adding the address of where you're planning to put the ADU, and in the proposed ADU section you will be adding that same address, just add a half to it, and the plot planning team will go ahead and correct it if it's incorrect or leave it as is. We're going to head to zemas.lacity.org to find the rest of this information. As soon as you get to the Zemas website, you're going to put your address right here. Once you go to the Assessors tab, you're going to find your APN number here. So for your existing residence area, you're going to scroll down and you're going to go to the building square footage. You're going to need this number here, which is basically the square footage of your house. To find your zone, you're going to head to the Planning and Zoning tab, and you will find that information right here. For the site area, you're going to click on the address/legal tab and go down to the lot/parcel area, where you will find the square footage of your entire lot. This ADU plot plan is only available for single family residents, so this will stay the same. Then for required parking, these are the amount of parking spaces that you have existing already. And for proposed parking, if you are not putting new parking, then this will stay the same. For fire sprinklers, if you don't know the mandate in your area, then just click no. For the material section, this is just the materials that you're planning on using. For the zoning code, you are going to take this number up here, your existing residence area, add it to the UADU square footage, and gather your total right here. For a vicinity plan, you can screenshot your property on Google Maps. For this last part, don't get intimidated. Use the 5-foot squares to help map out your property line. Don't forget to add your existing residence along with where you're planning on putting the proposed ADU unit. You can use this sample as a guide to answer the required questions. Just don't forget to account for north.